The most requested feature, basket order, is now live for Android and iOS users on Groww app. But what is basket order and how does it work? Let's understand. A basket order is a type of order used by traders to place more than one trade in a single click. Let me show you an example. Here you can see I have selected the Nifty 50 index, and here through the option chain you can click the quick basket mode, and then you can trade in multiple strike prices at once, even if you want to buy one strike and sell another one. After that you will see the order window which looks like this, and then you can click on the place order button below. This way you can place multiple orders simultaneously, which can help you save time. Hope this was helpful. Bye bye.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.